Good morning, children. How are you? Hope doing good. Okay. Children, we have learned in the previous classes that the strokes, and with the help of the strokes, how to write the capital letters and small letters, and upper line zone, 4 letter in the 4 rule lines, the upper zone, middle zone, and the lower zone. How to write the cursive letters, capital and small. And today we are going to learn to write the words. Okay, children, how to write the words in the cursive handwriting. Come on, okay, we will learn. First letter most is, what you will get the first letter in the alphabet? A. A sounds A. Always everyone says A for apple. Today I want to write A for ant. Why can't we change? Okay, we will write A for ant. Ant means chima. How it look like? Black, small, and some red ants also there. They bite also. ఎర్ర చీమలు కుట్టాయి అంటారే అట్లా. బ్లాక్ పెద్దవి గండు చీమలు ఉంటాయి, నల్ల చిన్న చీమలు ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, A for ant. First letter always in the words, I told you in the previous class we had to start with the capital letters. Okay ma? Capital A. And while writing in the cursive, you should not lift the pen. Okay, you have to hold the pen in such a way, not in a tight position. Look. First capital A and T, ant. Okay, A-N-T, ant. Next comes A. After A we have to write B. B sounds B. B for ball and B for bat. Boy. Okay ma? Boy. Capital B. O-Y. B-O-Y. Boy. Next, B of the C. Cat. C sounds K. K. I told you C and K sounds the same phonic sound. They will sound in the same way. Okay. C sounds K. Cat. Cat. Cup. Crow. Bird. Crow. It is also in the black in color. C sounds K. Cup. Okay, C-U-P, cup. With the help, cup, mama will drink the tea in the cup. Okay, next letter after C comes to D. D sounds D. Doll, donkey, dog. Okay, drum sounds nowadays. This Bonalu is there, and at that time you will listen drum sounds. Drum. D sounds drum. Capital D. R, small r, Sima, you should not lift the pen. Okay. Drum. Next. D. E. 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 E sounds E. Again. Ear. Egg. Egg. I. Okay. E-Y-I. A, B, C, D, E. F. Fish. F. F sounds F. F for fish. Fish. See. Fish swims in the water. Okay. Fish. Fan. Okay. Frog. Okay ma? I will write it, draw in the down ma. It's not looking nice. Okay, wait. frog. Capital F R-O-G, frog. Kappa, backpack, it will say. F, capital F, okay. G sounds G. G-U-N, gun, okay. Girl. Goat, G for goat. Goat. Hutch. H sounds ha. Hat. Hen. Head sounds hen. Ice cream, okay. Ice cubes. Ink, like this, capital I-N-K, ink. Jug, jackal. Okay, children. Jar. Jug, jar, okay ma? Jackal, okay, capital J, no, not this one, like this only, there's the J. I told you already, C and K sounds in the same way. Kangaroo, cat, kettle, kettle. టీ పోసుకుంటాం చూడండి అమ్మా. ఇఫ్ యూ సీ ఇన్ ద టీ షాప్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది కెటిల్ అని, ఇట్లా పంపుతారు, టీ పోస్తారు. KETTLE, కెటల్, ఓకే, కెటల్. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ రైట్ అగైన్, వెయిట్ మా. కైట్, key, capital letter, that's why, okay. See, I wrote the previously small letter KEY, key. Okay. Lion, leopard, lamp. LAMP, lamp, lamp. Mango, nib. Next, NIB, nib, nib. O, P. Q. R. S. T. U. Now N for nib. M N after M N O. Ox. O. A E I O U vowels. I told you, I teach you in the previous class. A E I O U vowels. Here O. See. Ox. Orange. Ostrich. Ostrich. Okay, onion, parrot, pen, penguin, parrot. First letter here I didn't write the capital again, so I am erasing it. P-O-T, pot. Okay, children? P, capital P-O-T, pot. Queen, quill. Q-U-I-L-L, quill, quilt. Okay? బొంతలు అంటారు కదమ్మా, క్విల్. బొంతలు ఉంటాయి అవి క్విల్ అంటారు. ఓకే? Q, R, rat. R, rat. Q, quill. Ship, ship. Q-R-S, T. Tap. U, M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Okay? Van. Watch. X-ray. Yak, yo-yo, oak. Z-I-P, zip, zebra, zero. Always why zebra, we will change. Zero. Okay, ma? We can change the words. See, umbrella. Next. Van. Van. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. We will see the time. And van, school. How you will go the school? Van, by school van. X-ray. Okay, children? X-ray. X-ray. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Zero. Okay, ma? Zero. First letter capital, ma. Remaining smalls. And capital letter, always remember, won't touch the fourth line. Okay, that's why here capital letter not touching the fourth line. Here also capital Y. If we write the small y, we have to touch the fourth one. Remember these things. Okay, lower zone it has to touch. Capital letters upper zone, lower zone small letters. Now see, A and T and words, ma. Words, English words, and to zoo or zebra. Okay, ant, 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 boy, boy, cup cup, drum, drum, ei, frog, frog. Like this it will jump. No, frog, back. Goat, goat, back will say meka. Hen, cluck, 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 cluck. Hen, తింటారు కదా, goat and hen. మేక అండ్ కోడి తింటారు కదమ్మా సండేస్. ఇప్పుడు ఇవి ఉన్నాయి కదా, మన బోనాలకి ఇస్తారు, ఏంటి బలి ఇస్తారు ఇవి రెండు. గోట్, హెన్. ఇంక్, INK ఇంక్, JUG జగ్, KEY key, LAMP lamp. Bed lamps you have, no, that one. Mango, summer season gone. Mango, you like mangoes, no? MANGO, mango. NIB, nib. Here this one is called the nib, children, this one. Okay. Ostrich, it is one type of bird, ma. Ostrich good ఇంత పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది, పొడుగు ఉంటుంది ఆస్ట్రిచ్కి, బిగ్. కాంట్ ఫ్లై, ఆస్ట్రిచ్ బర్డ్ ఫ్లై చేయలేదు. ఓ ఆస్ట్రిచ్. పాట్, కుండ. ఓకే. క్విల్ అంటే బొంత అని చెప్పాను కదా, అది. ర్యాట్, ఎల్కా. షిప్ ట్రావెల్ ఆన్ వాటర్ మీద షిప్ వెళ్తుంది. ట్యాప్, యూ విల్ గెట్ వాటర్ ఫ్రమ్ ట్యాప్స్ ఎట్ హోమ్. Umbrella, when it rains we will use umbrella. Van, school vans, if we have schools we will go by school van now. Yes. Watch, to see the time we will see the watch, to know the time. Okay. X-ray, when you will go to the hospital, if అబ్బా పడిపోయానంటే డాక్టర్ ఏమంటాడు, అమ్మా ఎమ్మికిరిగిందేమో ముందు ఎక్స్రే తెచ్చుకురా అంటారు కదా, అట్లాగా. ఎక్స్రే. యోయో, బొమ్మ ఉంటుంది చూడండి అన్న, పిల్లలు ఆడుకునే బొమ్మ, అది యోయో అంటారు వాటిని. టప్పుడు ఇట్లా కొడుతుంటారు, అటు ఇటు చిన్నవి ఉంటాయి, ఇలా ఆడుతూ ఉంటారు బొమ్మను పట్టుకొని, ఇలా అంటుంటే ఇక్కడెక్కడ సౌండ్ వస్తుంది, ఇట్లా వేలాడుతుంటాయి, దాన్ని యోయో అంటారు. ఓకే. జీరో నెంబర్స్ పిల్లల్లో జీరో అంటే నథింగ్, ఏముండదు. జీరో, Z for 0. 1 ఏంటి, ant, boy, cup, drum, I, frog, goat, hen, ink, jug with the phonic sounds. Key, lamp, mango, nib, ostrich, pot, quill, rat. Okay. Ship, tap, umbrella, van, watch, X-ray. phonic sounds బాగా వినండి. యోయో, zebra, zoo. ఓకే. ఫోనిక్ సౌండ్స్తో మొత్తం వినాలి, నేర్చుకోవాలి. సో దట్ ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ నేను కొన్ని చూపిస్తాను, చూద్దాము. Apple, ball, cat, dog, elephant, frog, this one, see, frog. Grapes, hug, igloo, joker, kittens, leopard, mango, noodles, owl. These two are birds. Parrot, quill, rabbit, sunflower, tiger, umbrella, vegetables, good for health, watermelon, xylophone is one of the instrument, yak and zebra. Here also Seema, aeroplane. The transport in the air is not, we will fly in the aeroplane. Broccoli, it is good for health. Nowadays you have to eat. Cargo ship, ship I told no, this cargo ship. Dragon, earth, family, giraffe, helicopter, ink, jewelry, kennel, laptop, monkey, nest, orange, penguin, queue, rat, see here rat, shuttlecock, telescope, ultrasound. Here is the van, children. You can look at here easy. Watch, here the time, it shows the time. Xmas tree, yoga, zoo. Okay, children. Tomorrow I will ask you, you read and come and write properly. The first letter always be the capital, and while writing in the cursive letters, you should not lift the pen. Okay, ma? Bye. Next class we will meet. Bye, ma.